You are looking live at the Hill, where just moments ago a congressional committee voted to overturning another law passed by the D.C. City Council, this one dealing with police reform. Adam Longo just returned from the Capitol, where lawmakers spent hours questioning some of D.C.'s top leaders. And Adam, what can you tell us?
So, Charlotte, this hearing stretched over 4 hours, and we saw questions directed at D.C. Council members Phil Mendelson, Charles Allen, plus D.C.'s Chief Financial Officer Glenn Lee, and the head of the D.C. Police Union, MPD Detective Gregory Pemberton. So here's the gist. Republicans on the House Oversight and Accountability Committee, they believe that crime in D.C. is out of control and that the City Council's policies are a major contributing factor. Democrats believe D.C.'s lack of statehood is holding the city back from being able to implement necessary changes, and they ripped into Republicans, arguing Congress shouldn't essentially be acting as a de facto city council. Of the 4-hour back and forth, though, this exchange is getting a lot of attention online.
You've got crappy schools. You're not only your schools not only dropout factories, they're inmate factories. You can shake your head and disagree with all you want to, Mr. Allen. It's just the fact.
I don't agree that the D.C. public schools are inmate factories.
So you're telling me all of them are excellent?
No, I'm not saying all of them are excellent,
you.
but I would not say that they are factories for crime.
This hearing mainly covered issues related to crime, that particular exchange aside. Here's reaction I got from members of both parties after the hearing.
We think there's a solution to this, and we want to work with the council. This was a sincere hearing to try to deliver the message. We want to work with you. If you continue to pass soft on crime legislation, we're going to continue to work in a bipartisan way to overrule that.
Sitting here lecturing DC elected officials on what they should be doing when we have other things to focus on. Let the elected officials that were elected at the local level do their job.
Mayor Muriel Bowser is being invited to speak to the committee about some of these same issues coming up on May 16th. Now, ahead at 7, I have a lot more, including an interview with Detective Pemberton from the police union and members of the Hands Off DC coalition who were berating the Republican members as they left the committee room. And then another topic which snuck into this discussion: public urination and whether it should be decriminalized, a back and forth between Colorado Republican Lauren Boebert and Councilmember Charles Allen. We ran the gamut of topics today. I'll see you back here again at 7. Charla?
Yeah, clearly a lot was discussed today, and I know you'll have more for us at 7 o'clock. Thanks so much, Adam.
Sure.